Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to Akshara IT Foundation. This is Synop, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class. Yeah, today we are going to discuss about linear equations, word problems. Okay, na? Right. So linear equations, word problems are there. So first of all, let us see how to solve a linear equations. That means in our previous class we discussed about the elimination method and substitution method, right? Yeah. So first of all, if to solve a linear equation in a word problem manner, that means first of all you should read the question thoroughly, then identify the quantities are there. Okay, na? Identify the quantities which are involving in the word problem. So let the represent the unknown things. Quantities are nothing but here unknown values. Okay, na? So represent the unknown values with variables x and y or a and b. Any two letters you can take. Here. So while you are observing that linear equation in two variables, there are two unknown things will be there in the question. So represent both of the unknowns with two variables. Okay, and try to solve try to form an equation by using the sentences. Okay, na? Then we need to use elimination method or substitution method to identify the values of the variables. Clear? Okay. Now here you should remember one of the thing. Here such type of problems will be given like two-digit numbers and reversing the digits. What will happen? Such type of number means sum of the two-digit numbers will give something. Difference of the two-digit numbers is give something like that. Such type of questions will be there. For example, a two-digit number is there. How we are representing the two-digit number? Two-digit number is nothing but we know the two-digit numbers starting from 10 and ending from 99, ending to 99. From 10 to 99, all are two-digit numbers only. Okay, na? In between any one of the number we can take. That means in the question any one of the number can be asked. But how we are representing the two-digit number with the usage of two variables. Okay, na? For example, I am taking a number like 57. 57 is a two-digit number. How we are expressing this 57? We can write while expanding form. We are writing this. It is 50 plus 7, or simply 10 into 10's place digit plus 1 into 1's place digit. Am I right? 57 in expanded form, we are writing usually 10 into 10's place digit and 1 into 1's place digit. So two unknown digits are there actually. So to represent the two unknown digits, we can take any one of the digit is x and any second digit will be y. That means units place digit, if you take it as x, units place digit is take it as x, we can write 1 into units place digit plus 10's place digit we are taking as y, 10 into 10's place digit. Simply while you are writing the two-digit number as 10 into y, 10y plus 1 into x, x. So 10y plus x will be the two-digit number. We don't know the variables whether it is x and y. That means what is the digit will be there in x, we don't know. What is the digit will be there in the y also we don't know. But to represent the two-digit number, we are taking this format. Or else we can write one more way also. How can we write 10x plus y? Can we take like this? This is also correct. But here y represents the units place digit. In the first one, x represents the units place digit. Here y represents the units place digit. Okay, na? And in second way, x represents the tens place digit. And here y represents the tens place digit. Okay, na? So we can to write any two-digit number, we can write in a format 10y plus x or 10x plus y. Anything is same, but that depends on a number which I have taken in the units place digit and tens place digit. Completely depends on us. Okay, right. Same way, three-digit number also we can take like that one. Three unknown things. But here we are using linear equation in two variable, no? So two-digit number is enough. Okay. Now coming to the basic formulas will be there, like a distance formula. This also will be plays very important role here to solve an equation. So distance equals to, we know the formula, speed into time. Distance equals to speed into time, and speed equals to distance by time, and last, time equals to distance by speed. These are very important formulas. So from this, if you know any one of them, we can write the remaining two also. Distance equals to speed into time. So to find the time speed value, time is multiplied here, transpose divides distance by time will be the formula for speed. Same way for finding the time value or time, we can transpose the speed distance. So distance by speed gives the time value. Okay na? So these are the important formulas. While solving the problem, we are going to use it. And this one is also important. 2-digit number. How we are writing the 2-digit number also very important. Okay na? So let us try to solve the equations or solve the problems based on this. Right. Now I'm just go to the first question in the concept based questions. First question. The sum of 2-digit numbers is 1000. Sum of 2-digit numbers. Sorry, 2-digit numbers, not two numbers. Sum of two numbers is 1000 rupees, and the difference between their squares. Difference between their squares is 2,56,000. So let us find out the two numbers. So we don't know the two numbers, but here given that sum of the two numbers is given, and the difference between their squares are also given. Okay, let us try. First, sum of two numbers is 1000. So I am writing here sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers equals to 1000. Okay na? What are the two numbers? Do we know the two numbers? We don't know. So both numbers we don't know. At least if you know the one of the number, we can take other number as a x. But here both of the numbers we don't know. Let us take one of the number is x, second number is y. So from this first sentence we can write the two numbers x plus y. Sum means addition. X plus y equals to 1000. Let us take it as equation number 1. And the second sentence is given difference between their squares. Okay, now that means if you take x square, y square, and their difference, x square minus y square. So difference of squares. Difference of squares also given, that is 2,56,000. 2,56,000. Okay. What are the difference here? Difference means subtraction. So from this we can take x square minus y square equals to 2,56,000. So equation number 2. Right. Now we need to find the value of x value and y value. Okay. But while you are observing here from the second equation, it is looking like one of the algebraic identity, a square minus b square. A square minus b square value, a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square value is a plus b into a minus b. So here in the place of a and b is given x and y. X square minus y square equals to x plus y into x minus y. That equals to 2,56,000. And we already know the value of x plus y from equation 1. What is the value of x plus y? 1000. That means in the place of x plus y we can write 1000. 1000 into x minus y equals to 2,56,000. Now 1000 is multiplying. When you transpose, it is divides. That means x minus y equals to 2,56,000 divided by 1000. So numerator 3 zeros, denominator 3 zeros cancel. So x minus y value 256, equation number 2 or 3 we can write. Okay now? So we know that x plus y value, we know x minus y value. For us now elimination method is very easy to understand here. So I am writing the equation 1 here. From 1 I can write x plus y equals to 1000. Add both of them. Plus y minus y cancel. X plus x 2x. So 2x equals to 1256. From this x equals to 1256 by 2. 2 table 6 times. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s. So x value is 628. What about y value? From 1000 if you remove that 628, remaining value is y. So from this we can say that y is equals to 1000 minus 628. So 10 minus 8 is 2, 9, 7, here 9 means 3. 372 is our required answer. So therefore the two numbers are 628 and 372. Okay, na? So this is the way we are deriving or to find the unknown things by using the given equations or given questions. Okay, so let us go to the next problem. Yeah, if 56 pens on 47 pencils cost is 631, how many pens are there? Yeah, here there are two quantities. First quantity is pen and the second one is pencil. Two unknown things, nothing but pens and pencils. Okay, here 59 pens, 47 pencils. So we let us take that by using the variables x and y. I am taking pen is x and pencil is y. Or you can use any letters or any alphabet also. Okay, let number of pens equals to x and the number of pencils, number of pencils equals to y. Okay, now here 59 pens, right? Yeah, according to the problem, 59 pens plus 47, 47 pencils together cost equals to 631. So from this we can write an equation. In the place of pens we can write x. So 59x plus 47 pencil I represent with y equals to 631, equation number 1. Okay, let us go to the second statement. Why 47 pens and 59 pencils? This time 47 pens and 59 pencils, and its cost is given that 535. 535. Okay, na? So we need to find out the cost of a pen and the cost of a pencil. One pen cost, one pencil cost. So one pen is nothing but x. Okay, na? Let pen number of pens x, or one pen equals to x, or one pen equals to y we can take. Right? Now 47 pens means 47 into x, and 59 pencils means 59 into y equals to 535. Equation number 2. 47x. Okay, right. So from 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2, by using that elimination method or whatever, we have to find the x and y values. We already discussed how to find this one also. Okay, same problem is given in the previous question, same equations we solved. We able to solve also. So follow the process to find out the values of x and y. Okay, so meanwhile we can go to the next problem. Yeah, so the problem is 37 pens and 53 pencils, same like this only. Together cost is 320, and 53 pens and 37 pencils together cost is 400 rupees. Find the sum of the here sum of cost of a pencil, a pen and a pencil. So individually we need to find a pen value and pencil value. If you add both of them together, we will get the cost, each pen cost. Okay, na? Right. So if you want, we are able to solve here. Let us try here. So I am going to tell you the value for second question. So you can try the third question. So both are similar questions, right? Yeah. Now I can use any one of the method like elimination method or substitution method. So previously, I hope we solved in a substitution method, right? So I'm just taking that elimination method now. That means I'm just going to eliminate x value. Okay, na? So for that, equation 1 should multiply with 47. First one multiply with second one. Because 15 and 47 are co-prime, there are no common factors between them. That's right. Okay. Same way, equation 2, this equation should multiply with 59. Okay. Right. Now the equation 1 will be 47 into 59x. That means entire equation we need to multiply with 47. Okay. Second one, 47 into 47, 47 square y, that is equals to 631 into 47. 631 into 47. That is equation 1. Now equation 2 multiply with 59. All together multiply with 59. So here 47 into 59x. 59 into 59, 59 square y. That equals to 535 into 59. Okay. Now let us subtract both of them. Now the x coefficients 47, 15, 47, 15 both are same. So we can subtract both of them for getting the y value. Eliminated. Same value subtract means becomes 0. Now 47 square minus 59 square y. We can write that 47 square minus 59 square into y. Okay na? Now here 631 into 47 minus 535 into 59. Okay na? Yeah. Now let us try to solve 57 square and 47 square and 59 square value. 47 square will be 2209. 47 square will be 2200. So 15 plus 7, 22 and 3 square 9 here. 2209 minus 59 square. 59 means 15 plus 9 is 24. 25 plus 9. 25 plus 9 is 34. 9 square 81 into y square. So I just write the values of 47 square and 59 square. This value I got. That equals to 631 into 47. Just multiply. No chance for us, or else any 59 will come or not. Let us try to check. That is 59 table 631. 59 ones are 59. Here how much? Yeah, it is not getting actually 41. So it is not getting. Right. Now just multiply both of them. 631 into 47. So 7 ones are 7, 7 3 is 21, 7 42 and 44. So 4 ones are 4, 3s are 12, 24 plus 1 25. Okay. So this will be 7, 5, 6, 9, 2. This is one of the value. Now multiply these two. 535 into 49. 535 into 59, not 49. So 5 9s are 45, 4, 9 3 is 27 plus 4 31. So 9 5 is 45 plus 3 48. Now 5 5s are 25, 2, 15 plus 2 17, 1 21 26. Yeah, this will be 31,565. Here both of them getting subtraction. Second one value only we are getting more. Okay now? Second one value minus first one value. I am subtracting here 657. Now 15 minus 7 is 8. Here 5 minus 5 0. Here 9. Yes, 1908. So minus 1908. These two also subtract. So 1 minus 9 is 2. That means 11 minus 9 is 2. Here 7 will be 7 as it is. Here 2, 1. 1278. So this is bigger one, minus symbol. Y square equal to minus 1908. Both sides minus cancel. So y square value should not. So not y square, y value this is. Okay, y is equals to. Now y equals to 1908 by 1272. Okay, na? Right. This is the value of y. When you substitute in that another equation, we will get the value of x also. So let us try to simplify. Both will come in two table. So 2 6 are 2 3s are 2 6 are. Here also 2 9s are 18, 2 5s, 2 4s. Again two table, 2 3s, 2 1s, 2 8s. So this one 2 4s are 2 7s are 2 7s are. So let me write y is equals to 477 by 318. Okay, na? So this is comes in three tables. So but what about here 47 7, so 14 plus 4 18. Yeah, both will come in three table. We can cancel 3 1s are 3 5s are 15, 3 9s. Now here 3 10s are 3 6s are. So 159 by 106. Okay. So any chance of getting the table here 36? 7 table I'm checking. So 7 table won't come. 11, I think 13 means 21, 11 table also not getting. Yeah, let us leave that y value 159 by 106. Y value 159 by 106. This y value let us try to substitute in equation 1. What is equation 1? 59x plus 47 into y. 47 into y value 159 by 106. Okay, na? That is equals to 631. Transpose that side. So 59x equals to 631. This entire term plus term transpose, it will be negative term. 47 into 159 by 106. Okay, na? So that implies 59x equal to 631 into 106. So both we should multiply, again subtraction, divided by 106 and with 59. So we'll get the same values individually. Right, let us try. So huge problem, huge calculation part will be, but if you have a patience, you will get that answer very easily. Okay, na? Now here 631 into 106, and before that let us try to check any cancellation is there. So 47 table won't get, but here, yeah, here also not getting. Okay, 631 into 106, like a mixed fraction we are multiplying now. 106 minus 47 into 159 by 106, and this 59 is multiplying. When you transpose, it is going to divide 15. So try to multiply and subtract the answer divided by this, we will get the x value also. Okay, so you continue the process simplification. Right, so let us go to the next problem. That means fourth problem. Third problem, same similar problem like this, you have to try it your home. Right. Now let us go to the problem number 4. A two-digit number is represented by, two-digit number is represented by, just now we have discussed, the two-digit number can be represented by 10y plus x or 10x plus y. It is depends the variable which is taken in units place digit and tens place digit. Okay, completely depends on us. Question number 5. Not only x and y, we can use the different variables, but options are given in x and y only. Okay, next, the sum of angles in a triangle is, sum of angles in a triangle, sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Very easy one. Now problem number 6. The sum of the angles in a quadrilateral, quadrilateral is nothing but 360 degrees. Sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Okay, na? Let us go to the problem number 7. The seventh problem is, yeah, distance equals to, just now we discussed the formula, distance equals to speed into time. Distance equals to speed into time. Direct formulas are given. And eighth one, if the speed of a boat, yes, we need to discuss about this here while in the concept of boat. For example, if you observe a boat in a river which is moving along with stream. Stream is nothing but the flow of a water or flow of current also we can call. That means, for example, the water is moving from left to right. This is the moving direction. The boat also moving towards the along with stream or along with current or along with the water, we can call the boat is traveling downstream. And we can easily remember, see, for example, how the water will flows. The water is always flows from the top to downstream. Okay, na? Water always goes to the downstream. So same way, when you go or when you pass or when you along with the stream, if you travel, so we can consider it we are traveling with or we are moving with downstream. Okay, na? For example, if you moving opposite direction to the stream, the water is flowing like this, but the boat is going like this, opposite direction. Then this type of situation we are considering as upstream. Downstream and upstream. Downstream means the boat should be moved along with the river or along with the stream, or the boat is moving opposite to the stream, we can call upstream. Okay, na? Now here you should observe that while you are taking any swimming pool and all, the water won't be flows from there. So it is a constant means there is no movement. Movement means when we make them to move, it will move, otherwise it will be stable like that. Okay, but while you are observing in rivers, the water is flows from top to bottom or downstream. Okay, na? So in that scenario, there are two speeds are working. What is the speed? The speed of the water or speed of the river or speed of the stream we should consider, and speed of the boat also is considered. Okay, there are two different speeds are working there. One is boat speed, second one is water speed. Water speed or stream speed or current speed, water speed. Boat speed is separate. Now, usually to travel any distance, the boat speed is much or more than the water speed, right? Then only we can reach our destination within the time. Okay, now if the stream speed is more than the boat speed, there is no use. Okay, that means the stream only will take us. No need to go to the separate boat. Okay, right. That means the boat speed is always more than stream speed. You should remember. So that means I am considering as boat speed is x, speed of the boat. Speed of boat equals to x. Same way, speed of stream, a stream or current or whatever the water we are taking as y. Speed kilometers per hours. So here also kilometers per hours. So whenever when we travel through the downstream, that means along with downstream. That means in downstream, the speed of the boat will be increases. That means it is already having certain speed, and stream of the water also. That means water also pushes the boat because both are traveling in the same direction. Both are traveling in a same direction. That means both speeds will be added. That means in downstream, boat speed will be x plus y. Okay, na? But in upstream, while collected into upstream, while you're moving opposite direction to the water try to push us backside. Okay, so you're traveling like this, the water is pushing. That means the water force is applying opposite direction to your traveling. Okay, or you're moving. So this way, that boat speed is applying in reverse motion. That means reverse situation. So in upstream, the boat speed equals to x minus y. Okay, na? Downstream, the boat speed is x plus y, and boat speed in upstream is x minus y. X means speed of a boat, y means speed of the stream or current or water. So this is also you should remember. Now let us go to the question number 8, that is, if the speed of a boat in still water x kilometers per hour and speed of the stream is y kilometers per hour, then speed in downstream. What is the downstream here? Downstream is x plus y. So our answer is x plus y. Now question number 9. Right. The speed of upstream. Upstream speed is x minus y. Continuation. Okay, na? Right. Now let us go to the problem number 10. That is, the 3-digit number is represented by 3-digit number should be represented by 3 variables. 1 into 1's place digit, 10 into 10's place digit, as well as 100 into 100 place digit. That is completely depends on them. But here digits also given. Z is the 10th digit and Y is 100 place, X is unit place. X is unit place, Z is tens place, and Y is 100 place. That means from this we can say the general form, or we can write the 3-digit number as 100 into 100 place digit, 100 into Y. 10 into 10's place digit, 10 into Z. Plus 1 into 1's place digit is 1 into X. So this is the 3-digit number, the way we are using the variables representation. Okay now? Yeah. Let us go to the next one. Right. In a square, each angle is, what is the angle in a square? In a square, each angle is 90 degrees. We already know in our previous classes we have discussed. Okay. Each angle in a square is 90 degrees. Okay, right. Now let us go to the 12th one. Two complementary angles are differ by 40 degrees than the largest angle. What are complementary angles? Complementary angles are nothing but sum of two angles must be 90 degrees. Complementary means sum of two angles 90. But we don't know both of the angles. The two angles I am taking that X plus Y. Sum means addition. First angle X, second angle Y, that is equals to 90. And in this, according to the problem, it is given difference between two angles is 40. X minus Y is equals to 40. Difference is given now. They differ by 40. That means two complementary angles are differ by 40 degrees. Now let us try to add both of them. Plus Y minus Y cancel. X plus X 2X. And 90 plus 40 is 130, then X value 130 by 2, 65 degrees. X value is 65 degrees. Now what about Y value? Well, to find the Y value, substitute in equation 1. This one in equation 1. So 65 plus Y equals to 90 degrees. Y is equals to 90 plus 65 transpose becomes minus 65. Then the answer is 25. Okay, na? So 65 and 25. There are the two complementary angles whose sum is 90 degrees. Okay. So therefore the angles are 65 degrees and 25 degrees. Clear? Yeah. Let us see exercise problems. The first one, Shobha's age is 13 years ago, is half of her age after 30 years. Then her present age is very important problem. So ages, problems based on ages. Okay. So let us start that exercise 1. Yeah. The first question is, Shobha's age 13 years ago, but we don't know her present age. What we have to find at last? Then her present age. What we have to find present age? That only we should considering as X. What we are going to find, that is represented with unknown value. So let us take that unknown value is X. Okay? Let her present age. Present age equals to X. X years, whatever. Okay? Now, according to the first sentence, Shobha's age is 13 years ago. What is her age 13 years ago? Now present is X 13 years ago. Her age will be 13 less than present. That means X minus 13. Okay, na? Right. Is half of her age after 13 years. After 13 years. So 13 years after ago, X minus 13 after X plus 13. Now according to the problem, her age 13 years ago, that means X minus 13 is half of her age after 13 years. Half means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 of her age after 13 years. Try to simplify, x value will get. Okay, here 2 is dividing when you transpose multiply. So 2 into x minus 13 equals to 1 into x plus 13 is x plus 13. Okay, no? Or any other information is given, let us check. Yeah, her age after 13 years, then her present age, right? That's it. Try to simplify this one. 2 into x is 2x minus 2 into 13, 26. 2 13s are 26. This is x plus 13. So try to bring all the variables one side and numerical one side. So this is 2x plus x transpose this side becomes minus x. Here already plus 13 minus 26 transpose becomes plus 26. So 2x minus x is x. 13 plus 26 is 39. So her present age is 39. Okay, na? So let us go to the next problem. The problem is the sum of two consecutive multiples of 3 is 69. Two consecutive multiples. Consecutive means continue numbers or side by side numbers. Consecutive multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9 consecutive multiples. 6 and 12 consecutive multiples. Multiples of 3. Now here also given that the consecutive multiples of 3 is 69, then the numbers are. Let the first number we can take x. And its multiple means, for example 3. 3 after what is the multiple of 3? 6. That means we should add 3. So next number will be x plus 3. Okay, na? The sum of two consecutive multiples of 3, because I have taken multiples of 3, that's why I added 3. If it is given multiples of 5, I should take 5. Okay, na? Right. According to this, x plus 13, 3 equals to how much? Sum of the two numbers consecutive multiples of 3 is 69. So according to the problem, sum of these numbers, first number plus second number equals to 69. X plus x, 2x plus 3 transpose that side becomes minus 3. 69 minus 3 is 66. So 2x value is 66, x value is 33. The first number is 33 and the second number x plus 3, 36. Therefore the numbers are 33 and 36. Okay, na? Right. So that's it for today, children. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.